Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to do an experiment at home with popcorn kernels, baking soda, vinegar, and water. What we're going to be able to see is the popcorn kernels come up and kind of dance in the jar. So when you're at home, I need you to do the same kind of ingredients that I'm going to do here so you can do this at home. First, we're going to pour some water in the jar so it's mostly full. I think I'm going to do a little bit more water. Okay. I think that should be enough. Then we're going to take our tablespoon and we're going to do 2 scoops, and we might even do more after that because the recipe says you need 2, 3, or 4, so we kind of just have to see what works. Then I'm going to take my spoon and stir it all around. And we'll try one more. Oops. Okay. We'll start with that. Our water changed to a little bit of a cloudy color, which is kind of cool. So now I'm going to put in some popcorn kernels. So I don't know if some of my friends have seen popcorn kernels like this before, but this is how popcorn starts. And then when we put it over the heat on the stovetop or in the microwave, it turns out to be the popcorn that we eat when we go to the movies or when we go to the circus. So we're going to put it inside, maybe do a little bit more. Okay. So I'm going to put all those kernels in, and they're all sinking down to the bottom, which is totally normal and fine. So now the last thing that I'm going to do is pour in some vinegar. So we need 1 cup of it, which is a lot, so you might need some help. So I'm going to add some vinegar into my cup. And then we want to start adding this slowly into the jars so that it doesn't completely overflow, because sometimes when we add baking soda and vinegar, we've seen things erupt, kind of cool, but we want it to just come so we can see the popcorn kernels dance. So I'm going to start by adding a little bit, and we're going to see it fizzing. And then I don't know if you can see, but the popcorn kernels came up, and now they're jumping back down. And I only poured in half, not even, of the vinegar, so you can do this a few times. Really cool, friends. I hope you can try this at home.